In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to manually create a new order in an online store on Wix Studio. Begin by logging into your Wix Studio account and navigating your way to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side, you should notice a main menu. From this menu, you want to click on the option that reads Orders. Let's proceed to the next stage, initiating a new order. Aim for the plus Add New Order button, which you can typically find at the peak of the Orders page. Giving this button a quick click should start your journey of manual order creation. Now, let's pivot to adding products to your order. Click on Add Item to initiate product selection. From here, the path splits in two. If you're adding a product from your existing store inventory, hit the Choose Product option. This brings up your entire catalog, from which you can simply click on the desired product to add it to the order. Some products may have variants like size or color, so be sure to select the correct options before clicking Add to Order. However, if you're creating an order for a custom item that isn't part of your existing store inventory, then go for the Add Custom Item option. Here you can enter the name, price, and other details of your unique merchandise. Repeat this process until you've added every item for the order. After you've finished stocking up your order with products, it's time to add the customer. Start by clicking the Add a Customer to the Order drop-down menu. If the customer is already a part of your contact list, then select them. Otherwise, use plus Add New Customer to create a new contact manually, making sure to fill in all of the customer's details. If this order will be shipped, then the customer's shipping address can't be left out. Our next optional step allows you to add discounts or custom fees to the order. To assign a discount, click Add Discount. Key in how much the discount should be, and feel free to add a private note. In the case of adding a custom fee, perhaps for gift packaging or a tip, click Add Custom Item and enter the necessary details. Now let's set up the delivery method. Choose from your existing shipping, local delivery, or pickup options by clicking Add Delivery Method. You can also fashion a unique shipping rate solely for this order if you want. Finally, review all the order details to ensure their correctness before creating the order. The Create Order button is what you should click when you're satisfied, but do note that payment isn't automatically requested. After the order takes shape, you can collect payment in various ways, such as sending an invoice via email, manually entering credit card details should the customer be present with you, or marking the order as paid if the customer has already taken care of the dues through another channel. And there you have it. You have effectively created a manual order in your online store on Wix Studio.